Want gadgets that feel like they came straight out of a sci-fi movie? Today, we're counting down 7 futuristic gadgets you can actually buy right now. And trust me, these will blow your mind. Welcome to Future Synth, your faceless guide to AI, futuristic tech, and gadgets shaping the world. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a glimpse of the future. Kicking off at number 7, AI Smart Home Hubs. These aren't just smart plugs. They learn your daily routines, adjusting lights, temperature, and appliances automatically. Imagine walking into a room and your lights, music, and even your coffee machine know exactly what you want. Some hubs can even recognize voices, respond to commands, and integrate with your smartphone, making your home feel like it's alive. And yes, these are available to buy today. At number 6, consumer 3D printers. These gadgets can turn digital designs into physical objects. Tools, models, even art, you name it. High-end models like the Bamboo Lab X1 print with incredible speed and precision, while smaller desktop printers can make miniatures or custom parts. It's like having a futuristic factory right on your desk, and it's all available for purchase today. At number 5, AR/VR portable display glasses. These futuristic devices turn any surface into a massive virtual screen. You can stream movies, play games, or even use them for work presentations, all without a bulky monitor. Some models project a full 100-inch screen in front of your eyes, perfect for productivity or immersive gaming. Compact, lightweight, and fully portable, these glasses make your workspace or living room feel like the future, and you can buy them today. At number 4, the AI robotic vacuum. These aren't your standard vacuums. They map your entire home, recognize obstacles, and even mop intelligently. Some models can self-empty their dustbins, plan optimal cleaning paths, and avoid pets or furniture. Imagine a tiny futuristic assistant cleaning your floors while you relax. All ready to buy today. Coming in at number 3, smart health rings. These tiny rings track your heart rate, sleep quality, oxygen levels, and daily activity, all without a bulky smartwatch. Some rings even provide readiness scores, letting you know if you should rest or push harder that day. Stylish, subtle, and packed with futuristic health tech, and yes, they're available today. At number 2, real-time translation earbuds. Want to chat with someone who speaks a different language? These earbuds translate on the fly, so conversations happen naturally. Perfect for travel, business meetings, or just impressing friends. Small, wireless, and easy to carry. The future of communication is here, and you can buy it today. Before we reveal number 1, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that bell so you don't miss any futuristic tech updates. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Number 1, AI smart glasses. Mini computer on your face. Notifications, music, calls, and real-time translations. Some models include cameras for capturing photos and videos hands-free. From Meta Ray-Ban to Rokid AI glasses, these are not sci-fi. They're real, purchasable gadgets that let you step into the future today. So, which futuristic gadget would you grab first? Comment below. For more AI and futuristic tech updates every week, subscribe and hit that bell. Stay future ready, and we'll see you in the next video.